Foodie truck to start. Hiya, it's me, Cookie Monster.
And I'm Chef Gong, and we are
Monster Foodies.
Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street. What do you want to make? Go ahead. Click on the food you want. Big Bird Elmo's peanut butter banana and honey sandwich. Rosita's tacos. Bert's oatmeal with blueberries. Big Bird's cornbread. Abby's apple pie. Oscar's mushroom and pineapple pizza. Elmo's peanut. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey. Oh no, looks like we're missing peanut butter. Come on, we gotta go get some more to the peanut butter factory.
Come on, let's drive to the peanut butter factory. Click to start driving. Whoops. We on our way to get peanut butter.
Peanut butter factory.
Peanut butter is made from peanuts that are grown on a farm. Then they're sent to the factory to become peanut butter. Help make the peanut butter. Go ahead, click to turn the crank.
Way to go.
Ooh.
Let's get cooking.
To make peanut butter banana and
Make sure to get it all over.
then peel the banana.
Next, chop the banana.
Cowabunga! Now add the honey.
Make sure to get it all. And last but not least, I will put the bread on top. Gongs away! Go ahead. Click to gong the gong. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Elmo. Order up. Enjoy your sandwich, Elmo.
What shall we make now?
Go ahead, Rosita's tacos. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need tortillas, beans, tomatoes, onions, and cheese. Oh no, looks like we're missing onion. Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the farm. We on our way to get onion. We on our way to get onion.
We're here at the farm.
Collect the onions. Go ahead, click to collect the onions. More onions.
There's another onion.
Okay, we got the onions. To make tacos.
First, we spread the beans on the tortilla.
Oh, yeah. Then chop the tomatoes.
Chop, chop, chop. Choppity chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Choppity chop, chop. Now we chop the onions.
Next, sprinkle the
Make sure to get it all over. Then we fold it in half. Gongs away! It's ready!
Now, it's time to send to Rosita.
Launch the catapult! Rosita, here's some tasty tacos. What should we make?
Abby's Bert's oatmeal with blueberries. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need herbs, water, blueberries, honey, and cinnamon.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing cinnamon.
Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the forest.
We're going to get cinnamon. We're going to the forest. We're here at the forest.
Cinnamon comes from tree bark. Click the trees to collect the cinnamon.
Yay, you got one.
More cinnamon.
Now, let's make some food.
To make oatmeal with blueberries.
First, we add the hose.
Yep. Then some water. Next, mix that good mixing.
Now I will take it and cook it up.
Next, oh, yeah.
Then the blueberry.
And last but not least, sprinkle cinnamon. Yep.
Gong the gong. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Bert. Order of hot oatmeal with blueberries coming at ya, Bert.